Hello friends, in this session we are going to get introduced to Python as a language. So objective of these sessions are using mathematical operators in Python and understanding the order of operations, also called as precedence rules, for these mathematical operators. So there are basic mathematical operations in Python. So addition is shown by symbol plus, subtraction is shown by symbol minus, multiplication is shown by single asterisk, division is shown by forward slash, power is shown by double asterisk, remainder, also called as modulo operator, is shown by percentage sign, and floor division is shown by double division symbol. So let's go and see in Python. Okay, we are in Python now. So we have opened Spider Python 3.7. So I'll just maximize the console. I'll go to view, maximize current pane. So my Spider console is maximized. So for addition, if you want to do addition, the operator is plus sign. So let's do that. 32 plus 42 should give me 74. So 32 is getting added to 42 by operation addition. Similarly, we can do 45 minus 20 and that should give you 25. For division, we have a symbol forward slash. So if you want to divide 45 by 5, we'll write 45 divided by 5 and that should give you answer 9. Similarly, for multiplication, we have a single asterisk. So we can have 4 multiplied by 3, that should give us 12. For power, we have a double asterisk symbol. So 3 double asterisk 2 means 3 raised to 2 should give us answer 9. We have two more operators called as modulo operator and floor division. So suppose we take 23 percentage, which is modulo operator 4, we'll get a remainder when we divide 23 by 4. So when we divide 23 by 4, we get a remainder as 3. Answer of this operation is 3. Suppose we do 23 floor division 4, so we should get quotient of the operation 23 divided by 4 and we get answer as 5. So 23 divided by 4, we get quotient as 5 and remainder as 3. Suppose we have an operation where 2 or 3 mathematical operators are there in a single expression, then there are rules to solve that particular problem. And these rules are called as precedence rules. So when we have an operation, mathematical operation, and there are multiple operators, we have these rules. The rule 1 is this: when parenthesis is there, the parenthesis is given the highest precedence, then the exponential, then multiplication and division, and then finally addition and subtraction. So in a given expression, if there is a parenthesis, that operation will be carried out first, and if there is an exponential, means power is there, then that will be carried out second, and then multiplication and division, and finally there will be operation carried out for addition and subtraction. So parenthesis is highest precedence and addition subtraction is lowest precedence. These rules are called as PEMDAS rules. In this case, the modulo operator and floor division is also with multiplication and division operations. Now the operations which are of the same precedence are always carried from left to right. So suppose we have a expression where multiplication and division, both operations are there, then the operations are carried from left of the expression to the right. So suppose division is first from the left and then multiplication, then division will be carried first, then multiplication. Similar for addition and subtraction. So let's understand these precedence rules by some examples. We are back in Spider. To clear the screen, there is a simple expression, clear. Now let's take some examples where there are multiple operators are there. So 4 double asterisk 2 asterisk 3. So there is a power operation and multiplication operation. In this case, power operation will be carried out first, then multiplication. So we'll get 4 raised to 2 is 16 multiplied by 3, 48. But suppose we put a parenthesis across 2 multiplied by 3, then because parenthesis has a higher precedence compared to power, this will be carried out first, then the power operation. So answer becomes 4096, where 2 multiplied by 3 is done first, then 4 raised to 6 is carried out. Similarly, suppose we have 4 asterisk 2 plus 3. Similarly, suppose we have 4 asterisk 2 plus 3. Then in this case, multiplication is carried out first, then addition. So we get answer 11. Similarly, we have a 18 modulo operator 5 divided by 2. Then we get 1.5, where 18 modulo operator 5 is carried out first. So remainder 18 divided 5, the remainder is 3. 3 divided by 2, the answer is 1.5. Suppose you interchange these operators, then division is carried out first, then modulo operator. Because both operators have the same precedence, so always the operation is carried from left to right. Right now on the left hand side, division operator is there, and then modulo operator. So division operation will be carried out first. So in this case, the answer becomes 1.6. So 18 divided by 5 is 3.6, and 3.6 divided modulo 2 gives us 1.6. Now can you guess what will be the answer for this expression, 10 plus 45 divided by 3 double asterisk 2 divided by 5? The answer is 11. Here power operation is carried out first, then there are 2 division operations which are carried out later on from left to right, and then addition operation is carried out, which gives the answer 11. Now suppose we have an operation like this, 3 double asterisk 2, 3 raised to 2 raised to 4. In this case, what happens, there are same operator twice, which is a power operator. The only difference between other operators and power operator is that the power operator, if there are multiple power operators, the operations are carried not from left to right, but from right to left. So let's see that. Answer is 4304671. Even if I put a bracket here, 2 raised to 4, the answer should come first. Answer should come same, because the 2 raised to 4 is carried out first, then 3 raised to the answer of this 2 raised to 4. So answer comes same. So that means 2 raised to 4 is carried out first, then 3 raised to that answer is carried out. Thank you.